Madam Apple, she is a VP of Shineworldgroup, and both local, like when I mean Nigeria, she has knowledge about Nigerian market, and also she has knowledge about international market. So she is both local and international combined, and she has a lot to say. So, Madam, I believe you have interacted with a lot of manufacturers in Nigeria, and you have a lot to tell the distributors about this, about the manufacturing space, like what they need to know about the manufacturing space, so that it will help their understanding about, oh, this is what manufacturing is all about. I think I need to move into manufacturing. So can you talk to that?
Okay, thank you so much for all the visitors that you pay more attention and give the interesting for our visiting and our interview. And also thank you so much for our team. They arranged this interview. And I get this topic, and I also get this task. You want to share more details and share more experience. So thank you so much for that. Actually, really, Shineworld grew up together with Nigerian market. Shineworld joined Nigerian market since 2009. This is first time. Actually, our machine already here and already running. And also, it's my first time into Nigerian market.
It has a very long time.
Yeah, a very long time. Actually, thank you so much. Thanks God that really we grew up together with this market.
Yeah.
So we really want to give more feedback to this market. Okay. And we are very happy that really we see Nigeria is different day by day, and they change much. So we're also very happy. And we know that what we are working hard is actually together with the Nigerian market. And also we would like to give more effort to help more people to be manufacturing in Nigerian market. Yes, now we are focused on cable making, but it's not only what we can do. Actually, we also do so many other manufacture, can be produce cables, biscuit, lighting, soft drinks, so many things. But because today what we are talking is for cable manufacture, that's okay. So actually principle is the same.
Okay.
It's from non-production to be production, right? So actually there are so many people, my staff already shared. Sure, China also have the same developing process. From beginning, not too much condition to support you to do manufacture. So many people, they do trading, like distribution. You buy, you sell, you buy, you sell. But it's good. So because this is very basic and a very basic condition, when you have enough money, then what you do is not what I want to do is not only to buy and sell. I want to have my own brand, I want to have my own marketing, I want to have my own manufacturing, I want to have my own team, I want to be a big boss.
Yes.
So this is, I think, if in China it is saying, if you do not want to be the capital, you will be not the big soldiers. It's the same. If you want to be a big boss to be manufacturing, it not means that you are successful. But it not means that everyone have this feeling or have this dream. It's okay. Then you will be the boss. Sincerely, from distribution to be manufacturing, it's very difficult. If it's easy, maybe all of us are already be the manufacturer and the boss. So sincerely, I have to say that first, it's very difficult. But some things, everything have the two different sides. If it's difficulty, it not means it's impossible. Because it's difficulty, so we'll have much possible. Because not everyone can join in. If you have very good preparation, you will be the person to manufacture. Am I right?
Yeah.
Okay. So, but anyhow, because the interview time is very short, I cannot give more details how to be from distributor to manufacturer. But I want to share some ideas that when you are ready to be from distributor to manufacturer, you should pay more attention some very detailed points. Okay, and when you are ready to all the points, and then this will be ready to be a manufacturer. Okay, so first, I think I have 5 points that to share each other, okay? But we also welcome everyone, all the visitors to talking with us. And
Yeah, then if you have question, you can
you can ask, and also in the future interviews, we also can answer you, and we can talk about details. Okay. So based on our experience, we can understand the difference from distribution to manufacture is that the capability. For distribution, you just okay, I'm just marketing. I have a shop. This shop I can rent. I just marketing it. I buy, I sell. But to be manufacturing is fully different. Distribution is sell, okay, buy and sell. But for manufacturing, it's design, manufacturing, production, and sale, and after sale service.
Yeah.
So it's a fully range process. Okay, so this is first difference. Okay. Second is the license for the two. For distribution, you need is SunCup. Yeah, from Nigerian market, you need SunCup. Okay. All your products you buy and sell, you need SunCup certification. If it has, then okay to sell. Okay. But to be manufacturing, what you need is SunCup for the materials that you import to produce. But at the same time, to be manufacturing, you also need that non-cap certification. This is also very necessary. This is the license to be manufacturing. Okay. And then the third one is the cost is fully different. The cost. Okay. So when you do the distribution, the cost is just what you buy. Okay. And then you added your profit that you sell. This is very simple. But to be manufacturing, the cost is very complex. That cost is including raw materials, the power, the labor, and the management, and after sales service. Anything, we should have after sales service. Okay, so this fully together is the cost of manufacturing. But for the manufacturer, actually during your manufacturing now in Nigeria, the mainly cost is the power. The power cost will be occupied at least 50 to 60% about your whole production cost. In Nigeria, your cost is not only from NEPA. You also need to have your own generation, diesel generation or gas generation. But anyone, you need the power by yourself. So this cost actually is not small cost. It's also very important things. If no power, factory cannot running. Okay.
It's just that any distributor listening now should pay attention to that cost.
Yeah, you need to
power.
Yes, power. Yes. Okay. And then next one is the very important things is the technical capability. For distribution, you are the boss or the sales. Just understanding. Okay, what's the products. What's the function? Okay, it's enough. Then you can sell. Okay, you just tell customer, this is products that can match with your function, what you need. Okay, it's enough. Then you can sell. But to be manufacturing is fully different. The technical team or the technical capability also the most important to make sure that your company can manufacture very good products and also continue longer. So technical is also very, very important. So in the future, you also need to pay more attention that you need to have your own technical support. Your technical team, that you have the engineer, you have the technical team, or you need the technical support. Maybe from Shineworld and from your own, from international. Okay. Then next one is, I think it will be very good to know for all the distributors is the policy. If you import now, the policy in Nigeria is very common because everyone do the exporting. Now exporting maybe for exporting government give you the encourage because you can get more dollars inside. But if you are just a distributor, you just buy and sell. When you import this field, no much more good policy to support you. This you need to charge you have the tax, everything. And also now because more manufacturing is already built in Nigeria, so government encourage the manufacturing, not encourage that for import. So they will add more tax for import, but at the same time they will reduce more tax for manufacturing. So this is fully different. So policy for distributor, now no good, no encourage policy. But the policy for manufacturing, they have very, very good encourage that. For example, the projects running in Nigeria, if they need the cables, they prefer to buy the cable manufacturing by local, not import. Except that, okay, this cable cannot produce in local. You have to import, no problem, I allow. But if this cable, they prove that, okay, they can produce in Nigeria, then this project, this turnkey, need the cable manufacturing in local. Okay. And also, when you import a machine, to manufacture by yourself, when you import material to manufacture by yourself, less tax, or they have special tax for those kind of things that you need it to manufacture by yourself. Okay. So this is fully different. It means that government help you to get more profit from distribution to manufacturing. Wow. This is, I think, for all, all the distributor need to pay more attention. When you want to be manufacturer, it's okay, but you need to pay more attention. Those kind of things. That is, to be manufacturing, production and quality control is most important. Okay, and power is most important. And yes, and the policy is most important. Yeah, and the license is most important. Okay. There's another one.
We talked about maintenance.
Okay. After sales service. After sales service also very long. It should be pay more attention. Yeah.
Wow. Thank you very much, madam, for listing those things for any distributor listening need to pay attention to before while preparing to move into manufacturing. Okay. I still have I still have two questions.
No problem, you're welcome.
Okay.